Oh my gosh, does your 100,000 mile Duramax have terrible looking, rusted out, broken up shocks? People are shocked to even park by you. Look at how bad those things are. If yours look like this and you're trying to re-up on something good, stick around. We got something for you. Hit the subscribe button, smash that like button each video. Dislike it if you choose, unsubscribe if you want, whatever. You're here, we appreciate it. Just watch the video. Put a comment down below on what you like or want to see different next time. But just take the time to enjoy this day. Super grateful as always. You guys keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and keep influencing the world. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for tuning in today. You're gonna be shocked. I know it, but we're doing shocks today. If you couldn't tell by the title, I know that was a bad dad joke. Welcome back to 33-year-old dad videos. Today we're gonna do shocks, Fox 2.0 shocks on the Duramax here. Super excited about this. When we wrecked the truck, we didn't wreck it, somebody else wrecked it for us, but the mechanics did tell us one of the rear shocks was bad, so we're gonna put rear shocks on this truck today. Checked out a bunch of different brands. I was gonna go Ranchos again, like the stock ones. I was gonna go Bilstein, whatever they were. And everybody says Fox 2.0s are the best. I didn't want to spend the money, but got a good deal on them, so we're gonna go ahead and try to put these bad boys on. I'm not a mechanic, so ease with me on this one, but yeah, super excited for this. Hope everybody's having a good summer so far. We just celebrated our son's 5th birthday. I can't believe he's 5 already. How wild. 4 was such a fun age. I can't wait to see what 5 brings, but anyways, yeah, just kind of bring you guys up to speed here. Hopefully you guys are subscribed to the channel. If not, hit that button and stick around with us. We're gonna have a lot of fun as things progress. I'm hiding a bunch of things from you guys too that I can't wait to freaking show you. But anyways, let's get with it today. And shocks, shock, 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 let's go. All right, so let's get this bad boy backed into the shop here so we can get to work on it. We're probably gonna back it in, that way we can just easily jack up the rear end and take these suckers off. Jacked up here. Got to stand under it just for safety. There's the old one. That one's got to come out. Look at it. Get rid of the old Ranchos here. Get something good in there. Let's see what we got. Well, that was a major bust real quick. Open up the box and there's only one freaking shock in there. I can't believe it. I guess that's what I get for ordering off Amazon. Although they were authentic Fox 2.0 shocks, only one came in the freaking box. I should have known because the box felt a little light and it was kind of sketchy. Look at this. Super sketchy looking box. I mean, it was just kind of, it looked like it had been opened. I wonder if somebody would steal one shock out of there. I'd hope not, but maybe it fell in the UPS truck and then when they delivered it, they just, you know, left it or whatever. But gosh dang it, that sucks because we had the truck all ripped apart. We had the shock out, it came right out, 21mm socket. Nice power air tool, it come right off easily. It's gonna be a simple replacement, but unfortunately, we're gonna have to go back to Amazon, report a missing item, and see if they deliver it. I hope I'm not out, you know, $100 or whatever. They were probably 80, 90 bucks a piece, so I sure as heck don't wanna lose one and have to eat it. So we'll see. We'll follow up here in just a minute. All right, you guys are not gonna believe this, but anyways, the reason we only had one shock right there was pretty much my fault, all my fault. On the dang website, it even says shock, not shocks with an S. So I literally bought one shock and didn't even know it. That's what I get for not reading. I got ahead of myself. The deal looked too good to be true, and of course it was. That was the price per shock. So now I'm shocked again, dang it. Spent a bunch more money than I wanted to. They're like 175 bucks a shock. I was thinking that was for 2, gosh dang it. I see why they call them a money pit now. We're just dumping money in this sucker. But anyways, we ordered another shock. It is here now, so we can get back to the installation here as we proceed. Dang it, I messed up again. Oh well, here we go. And we are back again here. Let's try this again. Make sure we got 2 in here. Okay, now we got 2 shocks this time. This is gonna go a lot better. We are back. Just got over being sick, so pardon me if I sound a little crazy, a little nasally, got all that congestion, drainage stuff going on. But we are back a week later, gonna try this again with 2 shocks this time, and hopefully it goes a lot better. But let's get into the shop and try this baby out. $21, match up with this here. 21, up there. 21, 2 bolts and it'll pop right out. Okay, let's see.
Same thing, okay?
Okay. There. Whoa! I'm just trying to get my...
Try that.
Down it goes.
All right.
There's the new one in place. Wow, that was easy enough. Key is just having the right tools.
Yep.
And knowing what you're doing. A little backup wrench. What else? Here's the other side. Very, very nice. Easy install. Went right into place. Nothing to it. Let's see if we get down under there. Get a better look. Well, the sun's kind of messed up, but there she is. Look at how bad they are. I think they've seen better days.
Yeah.
And there's the oil. Definitely junk. Well, a lot better. And you can see the final product out here. And no, they're not upside down. We followed the same way the Ranchos were on there. That's how they showed them. So a lot of people online saying they're upside down. You can tell me your opinion, but I think we got them the right way. Boom! And just kind of wrapping up things here in the shop, getting everything cleaned up, put back in its place. Who knows that organization is key when you're doing these things, because look at that. That took literally 10 minutes to swap out. Just had to jack up the rear end, put a nice little jack stand under there for safety, got our backup wrench, got our impact, got our 21 mil socket, took off the bottom, let the top hang, took off the top, pulled the old one out, put the new one back in, compressed the shock up, let it drag down into place, had my dad for a second set of hands, which was awesome. Shout out, Dad, thank you. Anybody else got a good father-son relationship working on things out in the shop? It's a lot of fun. I've been working with Asher on stuff too. It's just fun, just out getting dirty, good old father-son bonding, whatever you want to call it. It's freaking awesome. But anyways, that installation was super easy. These Fox shocks look incredible. Gonna take it down the road, cruise on them. Probably won't notice a whole lot of difference. It's just shocks. It's not like we put a 6-inch lift on this thing or anything, but maybe someday. For now, it's just the shocks. So the review. So as a review, I would say definitely 10 out of 10 when it comes to the shocks, but definitely my bad for ordering the wrong stuff. Pay attention. On Tori's Amazon storefront, I do have a section for my channel, so all the products you see me wearing, using, anything we get off Amazon is on there. I'll put a clip on the screen here you can kind of see. So if you see something in these videos and you're like, oh, that's cool, I would buy that, get on there, hit the link, and you guys can check out exactly what we're using in the videos. But yes, thank you guys again. This is a lot of fun. Hopefully you enjoy these videos. We got a lot more coming. Now, I don't want to take too much time and just bore you to death talking and talking, but honestly, I do have like the next 13 videos mapped out, and there's a super big announcement coming on the Corvette in the next video or 2, depending when this one drops. I'm filming like 3 different things right now. That's why the different outfits, the different days, kind of meshing things together, trying to remember where I'm at. Just got so many things I'm excited about. Hopefully you guys are too. Please put a comment down below what you like, what you want to see different next time. Hit the like button because it'll help us get these videos out and reach more people. And yeah, we're just gonna carry on this journey, so make sure you guys stick around. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. And dang it, did I mention we picked a 98-degree day to work on this freaking thing in the shop, but that's okay. I am very grateful that we even have the shop to work on projects like this. It's just nice being out here. Am sweating to death. We could have done it when it was 20 out or something like that, but anyways, yes, gotta do it, gotta do it. And let's give the Polaris some love too. What you know about the old Polaris? Old reliable here, just holding it down, just as good forever. They just don't break. Well, if they break, you can fix them and they'll keep running forever. But anyways, what you know about just taking off into a nice, open, freshly cut field. There just ain't no feeling like it, you know what I mean?